In this video, I'll show you how you can show the formulas in Excel. Now, usually if you want to see the formula that you have used, you can simply just click on it and it will show the formula up here. But another simple thing you can do is if you come up here to formulas, on the right hand side, press show formulas, you will see this will now change into the formula that I have used. So if I do that and I scroll over here, as you can see, this is my formula. So it will show it right here instead of the result. You can simply go back and press it again if you want to have the results instead of the formula. So that's how you can do it easily in Excel, guys. Now let's say everything from here is formulas and you don't want to click on every single one. Just go in there, show formulas, and all of them will show the formula instead of the result. So that's how you can do it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.